The hot token is making a comeback after a sharp fall, and in all of this, I am finding a diamond in the rush using arbitrage on the hot token. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon so you will get informed every time we release new content. Now, the hot token has actually fell, and most tokens on the crypto market has within the past 24 hours. But in all of this, there has been a very beautiful arbitrage opportunity that I will be showing you. Now, after doing all of this, after confirming the price of hot token on CoinMarketCap, first thing I want to do is explain what arbitrage is. Arbitrage is the process of buying something cheaper at one spot and then selling higher at another spot. Now, with that explanation out of the way, we are going to practice buying hot token from a platform where it is cheaper and then selling it at a platform where it is more expensive. Now, to do this, all I needed to do was to exit my browser and go to my Trust Wallet. Now, once I'm here in my Trust Wallet, the next thing I do is click on the Discover. Once you click on the Discover, at this search bar here, input Valeris network. The network. Now, once that is imputed, just allow the app to load. As you can see, we have been welcomed into the platform. Now, the first thing to check is if your wallet is connected. As you can see, my wallet is connected here. We can go to wallet and then you see my wallet connected. Now, once you have confirmed that your wallet is connected, if your wallet is not connected, all you just have to do is to click on the wallet icon and then you go through the process of connecting your wallet. If you do not know how to do this successfully on your own, there is a video, the link will be provided at the top of this video. It takes you to that video where you learn how to sync or connect your wallet with Valeris platform. Now, the next thing to do will be to click on the menu. Once you have successfully connected your wallet, click on the menu, go to swap. Once you are here on swap, you will see I've already selected the hot token because I've come here to confirm that price difference before beginning this video. So I can click on it again and then scroll to hot token. The price is not showing fully here, but let's just do the transaction and then you'll see what I mean. Now, what I'll be doing here is I'll be using $7,000, 7,000 USDT to buy the hot token. So once I've imputed that, the next thing to do is to click on swap, click on confirm, and give this a few seconds to process. Now, as you can see, we've successfully swapped the hot token. So what I'm just going to do is to close out of this modal and exit out of the platform. Now I'll come back to my Trust Wallet and then let's see. Let's just give this a few seconds so the transaction we took would reflect on our wallet. This usually doesn't take too long. Just give it a few seconds. This is kind of taking a little longer, but just wait a bit. I don't want to pause the video at all. I want the video to just play through until we are done with the entire process. Okay, I'm try refreshing the page if that will help. That did not help. All right, give this a few seconds, please. This is taking too long. I don't know why, but I'm sure. Okay, now as you can see. Now, as you can see this, I just want you to pay attention to what just happened here. Now, to see this better, what we'll do is to click on the hot token itself and then go to activities. Once we come to the activities page, I want you to see exactly what happened through the transaction history. So from the transaction history, give this a few seconds to load. Okay, I want you to pay attention to this. We swapped 7 USDT for 27.3 million hot token, and guess how much we're getting as a return? We're getting $9,170 worth of hot token. Now this is over $2,000 above the desired or the normal amount that we would have gotten it if we had done the swap on, say, maybe on Trust Wallet, or maybe we would use them Uniswap or any other platform. We've made over $2,000 profit in less than 5 minutes. So guys, if this video was helpful or educative in any form, I'd appreciate it if you click on the like button. Also subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel grow faster. And if you have any question, do not forget to drop them in the comment section. I'll always be there to answer you or solve any difficulties you get or you have. Until next time, stay good.